I was going to go back to dealing with irritability, and I've just taken while she was talking to think about when I'd been really irritable and when I'd sort of completely lost it. And I think friends had the tendency to do sort of one of two things. One is either sort of try and wrap me up in cotton wool and spend hours for the night talking about what was wrong and why I was so upset and how we were going to fix this all and how it was all going to be better one day and it was all going to be okay and we could all cope, or a very long time screaming at me because I just lost it again and they couldn't cope with me anymore. And I think all I ever really needed was someone to go, "You're a bit wound up, aren't you? Let me know when you'll calm down and it's all going to be okay." Like, sometimes all you needed was a tiny bit of just going, "It's fine, I'm not getting involved, and you just let this all blow out, and when you've calmed down, then we'll watch a film or we'll chat then." Like, sometimes I think friends fed in too much, either being too helpful or too cross with me, which is understandable. They probably deserve being shouted at quite often.
Because the problem is, if you're too helpful, then it kind of reinforces the need for that behaviour in the first place. Like, I felt like a bit of a child, kind of, if I strop, people will come and look after me, and as kind of black and white as that sounds now, that's kind of how it worked out. And equally, if I was too angry and they were confrontational, it was just kind of a no-brainer from the start. It was always going to be me getting more angry and more irritable, and then them getting more irritable, and so